Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Chroma key in Capcut. So here I'm using Capcut for PC because I think for easily to edit. Yeah. For example, I already have one main photos here, and then I want to add one photo for overlay. So this main photo and this overlay. So you can looking for cutout here, and you can see chroma key here. Yeah, you can use chroma key for remove background or delete a specific part in video or photo. So I want to remove background in this photo with chroma key. Click the photo and then click chroma key. Click color picker and then just the background, and then adjust for strings like this, and then you can adjust for scale like this. Okay, it's very simple. That's how to use Chroma key in Capcut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.